In this video, we'll be learning how you can make YouTube videos published to your web page. So the topic for this is HTML YouTube videos. So the easiest way to play videos in HTML is to use YouTube. So what you need to do, you need to take a video, upload it to YouTube, and then you'll link that YouTube video to your web page, and YouTube will not show. And what it will happen that your video will be played on your web page. So if you're struggling with video formats and if it's a hassle to convert videos to different formats, so it can be difficult and time consuming. So an easier solution to this is to let YouTube play the videos in your web page. So YouTube will display an ID like something like this. When you save or play a video, you can use this ID and refer to your video in HTML code. So what you need to do for playing a YouTube video in HTML, you need to do the following things. First, you need to upload the video. Then you need to take a note of the video ID. What is the video ID? I'll tell you how you can get that. So now you have to use the tag iframe element in your web page. Let the src attribute point to the video URL. Use the width and height attributes to specify the dimension of the player. Now you could add any other parameter. So what you can do, so you'll have such a code like HTML body. Now you will use the tag iframe. You'll use this element. Now you'll mention the width and the height of the video. And in the src attribute, what you need to do, you need to just paste your YouTube link, the link of the video. And then you have to close the iframe. And then if you will run this, so you'll find a video like this. Now let us talk about if you want to play it on autoplay and mute. So what you need to do, so you can let your video start playing automatically when a user visits the page by adding autoplay is equal to 1 to the YouTube URL. However, automatically starting a video is annoying for your visitors, but as it is required, so you can do that. And you could also put mute is equal to 1 after autoplay is equal to 1 to let your video start playing automatically but muted. So how you can do, you can see, you could do like this. Now here, as you can see, it is auto playing but it is muted. Why? Because after this we have written autoplay is equal to 1 and mute is equal to 1. So this is why in the src attribute it is playing in, it is auto playing but it is mute. Now you could also put YouTube playlist, a comma separated list of videos to play in addition to the original URL. Now you could also use YouTube loop to play the video again and again in the a loop. So what you need to do, by default its value is 0. The video will only play once, but if you change the value of loop to loop is equal to 1, so what will happen, the video will loop forever. Now you also have some YouTube controls. Add controls is equal to 0 to not display the controls in the video player. So value 0, player controls does not display, and value 1, that is by default player controls are displayed. So if you do control 0, so what will happen, you will have no control over this video, like there are no controls. You can't see if you could mute it, you could change the playback speed or any other feature like that, how long is the video, if you want to shift it forward. So if I press the key, I have made it 5 seconds forward, but there are no controls available on it. Why? Because we have here written controls is equal to 0. Now if I change controls is equal to 1 and then I play it, so I have now all the controls, all the settings, caption, play, pause, mute, unmute, I have all the controls. So if you put controls is equal to 0, so you won't be having all these controls. So this is all about YouTube videos, and this is was our HTML links and media section, and I'll meet you in the next section. Thank you.